which is beautiful. So especially if you've got, you know, big family, you're entertaining everyone. So let's take a look at this one. Come on in. Okay guys, so this is through the entry, so you've got a little gorgeous room here, and then as soon as you walk in you see the staircase that leads you upstairs into the bedroom section. So I'll take you through. Beautiful hardwood floors, got the gorgeous sitting area around here with herringbone flooring, and I think these are tiles. I'll have to check on that. Beautiful. This house is actually stunning. So you walk through and you've got beautiful kitchen, all open plan living. This is, babe, what do you think of this house?
Wow. Similar splashback,
Actually, that's the same. That's exactly our splashback, herringbone design, except as you guys know, I've got the light baby blue, and this almost looks like national tiles. Yeah, it looks like the crayon range. Be interested to know if it is. So you've got the dining area through there, got butler's kitchen through here, and you've also got another little extra area. Got the bar, which is fabulous, and through here you've got a good sized laundry as well, which leads onto the back garden. So we'll come back through here as well. Now this is my favorite bit. So you've got a nice little area. So it's all open plan living, coming through to the outdoor deck. And you've got your swimming pool through here. Let's just go around. Just a nice little lap pool, nothing too big, but that's all you need really. Just go straight back in. Now I don't know if you guys have noticed, but they've got beautiful high ceilings. So you've got the void that goes all the way upstairs onto the top area, beautiful railing as well. Great color combo, so you've got your light grey against the white, and then you've got your, and we'll go through here. So you've got another little sitting area. It's beautiful. Wow, that's lovely. So this would be considered sort of your media room. That comes onto the other side of where the pool area is. Love their styling too. Actually, they've done a really great job. So we'll go back. And should we go check up upstairs, honey?
Yes, let's do that.
Let's go upstairs. So back into the open plan kitchen. And we'll go straight up the stairs. I really love the way this is styled. Beautiful. That's the front door.
I really like this stuff.
Yeah. Hardwood floors. Let's go upstairs. Oh gosh. Okay, so you've got, here we are. So this is another little sitting area. Some nice carpet. You've got a little balcony here as well, which is lovely. Little outdoor area. And here's the void, so you can look straight down into that beautiful pool area. Great artwork too. So you've got a guest bedroom here. You've got some cool wallpaper. Actually, that's nice. Like that. Ceiling fans. And into a little walk-in wardrobe. Here you go again. You've got the herringbone tiles, which tiling with downstairs. Shower. Great little mirror. Love that. And come back out. Let me know if you guys want more videos like this as well, because I can do that. And straight through here, and that light leads you back downstairs. Oh, these bedrooms are a really good size actually. So I gather this is another guest bedroom. Ceiling fans again. You've got the little smaller walk-in wardrobe, but they've all got their own en-suites as well, with a shower. We'll come back out. Hubby, oh, this is cute. Little girls or boys kids room. Coming through here. Oh, I love this artwork. Beautiful. I wonder where they're from. I like this actually in Eleanor's bedroom. Beautiful. And so they've got their own little ensuite as well. Beautiful artwork again. Shower. And then also another walk-in wardrobe. So how many bedrooms have we seen so far, babe? So we've got, so far we've seen I think 3. Okay guys, here let me just do, this is the master bedroom. Let me reverse. So we walk into the master bedroom. I don't know if you guys can see how big this is, but beautiful. So lovely neutral sort of color scheme with just whites and light blues. So we come through here, lovely artwork again, into walk-in wardrobe. Oh, and you can go straight through the balcony this way. So let's have a look. Nice size. Hey! Now, does this place have a door? That is the question. Am I walking into another bathroom with no doors? What is up with that? Ah, okay. I mean, come on, if I could afford a place like this, that's easily fixed. I would put a sliding door. Okay, so, oh, lovely. Herringbone again. Some fabulous lights. Gorgeous. You've got beautiful bathtub overlooking the balcony. So let's see if I can show you guys through here. So that's the bathroom. Beautiful.
I think this is what we should do for us. This look.
Yeah, we want to extend our balcony, so we're just getting ideas on how we're going to do it. This little balcony that overlooks the swimming pool down the bottom. Yep. With the pergola over there. Come back in. So I think that's about it, guys. I'll take it. Anyone else want to line up and take this home, because I'm quite happy. All right, I'll take some photos so I can post some more images for you guys.